Atlas Kitchen and Interiors. Provide interiors to your dream home that align with your taste and personality. A home redefined with accessories that suit its aesthetic beauty. We have an exclusive showroom for kitchen and other interior assets. Walk in with your requirements and be mesmerized with the wide range of selection we have. Our dedicated staffs will assist you through the pieces of excellence, which can be molded to your choice. We are the forerunners in kitchen designing and manufacturing industry in South India, with more than 2 decades of expertise in this arena. Best out with us the precise requirements to accessorize your home, from equipping living area, master bedroom, kitchen, every nook and corner. These are furnished at our highly equipped manufacturing unit with high quality machineries that are dedicated to specific areas of your house. From living room to kitchen, we provide our services to customize the best for your home. For specific furniture, we have panel saws, help to cut panel board to the required measurements. Curvy linear edge bender, which is used for manufacturing any high-end furniture. Edge bender, required to produce straight panels. Boring, suitable to make knockdown furniture. Paint booth, to customize the color of each and every corner of your home. Glass lamination machine, imported aluminum kitchen accessories, and many more. We have over 100 expert technicians who monitor the manufacturing unit to provide our customers with the best suited household products. Our team follows a systematic methodology to brighten your homes, from site visit where accurate measurements are taken and the best designs are built to suit the novelty of one's home. An estimate for these charted finishes will be then propagated. Apart from these, our team does provide expert assistance with plumbing and electrical works. The manufactured goods will then be transported to the site and we monitor the exact installation of the products. Entrust with us every corner of your home to be filled with suitable accessories like kitchen cabinets, furniture sets, TV cabinets, chandelier, mosquito nets, and whatnot. A dream home with posh interiors that put you in state of happiness and pride comes from our sincere effort.